Hey, what's up guys? Alex, Bay Cities Construction here. Hey, I want to share with you a little bit. I just got back from my visit to the city. Went down to go pull some permits for soft store retrofit. Got a bunch of projects right now. In the design phase, trying to meet over with one of my designers because we're gonna meet at one of our properties in Palos Verdes to start the ADU design. For those of you who don't know what an ADU is, it's called an auxiliary dwelling unit. That means you can convert your garage anywhere in the state of California into a living space, okay? In a neighborhood that's single family residence, you can convert your space and add a unit to your lot. There's some requirements and stuff, and we've got some videos on that if you want to learn more about it. I want to just shoot a little quick video to give you a slice of my day, what it's like to be a contractor here in California. Part of my job is to make sure that I can get your plans approved. That means that your vision for the space, whether you're remodeling a kitchen, adding, doing an ADU, doing a soft store retrofit, I'm your advocate with the city. It's a major hassle every day. I got to deal with so much city, all of these little intricacies that have to be in the plans that have nothing to do with making your building safer, so you don't have to miss work and park and look at this insane stuff. It's the middle of the morning, so can you imagine you have to take time off of work to sit in this traffic? It's my job to deal with that. So I'm gonna go over to PV. I'm gonna share with you a little bit of what we're doing over there, this new project. I promised you that I would, I think in one of the last posts I did. Every Tuesday at 5:30 we shoot a construction show. You want to learn more about construction, you're thinking about doing something to your property, whether it's a kitchen or bathroom remodel, maybe you're considering adding or doing an ADU, you want to stay tuned. We have a bunch of episodes on it. We're going to be posting them on our website, baycitiesconstruction.com. We're putting together that page right now. It's all part of helping you be more educated, helping you understand what the process is. I get these comments from folks like, hey, I just need you to build it. I just need you to build this for me. I'll provide the materials and I'll go get the permits and all that. And like, we don't do that. We don't do that. We do it all or we don't do any of it. You're not qualified to go get permits on your behalf. When you do pay me, you're gonna get good advice. You're gonna get tip-top stuff. It's gonna be in your budget. Sometimes it goes a little bit over budget if you go crazy with your selection. But for the most part, it's gonna be in your budget. It's gonna be some materials that make sense for your project, make sense for the value of your house. We're gonna be going over to our PV project. We're in the design phase right now. I'm gonna walk you through the deal. I'm gonna walk through it with my designer right now. I'm on my way. I'm leaving downtown LA and driving all the way to the peninsula. It's like insane to do this in the middle of the day right now, in the middle of the morning. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to us on Facebook and or you like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. We're on all of those platforms. We're everywhere that you are, and we're also on Instagram. You'll find links on our website, baycitiesconstruction.com. Anyway, I'm in the field right now, but I'll see you in a little bit. The next clip will be me, my designer, in beautiful Palos Verdes.